Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a multi-function camping light. So we're going to check this thing out. Let's open it up and see what we got. So the device is box empty. And it comes with some styrofoam, comes with a little charging cord. It looks like it's USB to USB-C. We've got a little solar panel on the top so it can charge itself. On the back we have a crank so we can charge it this way if we really want to sit there and crank all day. We have a little flashlight too. Let's see if I do push the button. Ooh, that is a little bright little flashlight. You probably can't tell, but it is. You probably can't tell because I have these super bright studio lights on. But then on here it has a USB, looks like a USB plug, so you could charge your phone or something like that with it. There's a little button. Oh, that's the button for the light. And then it has USB-C, which I'm going to assume is for charging the lamp. And then we can, let's see, how do we make this work? We pull it up, and then there we go. Well, now we have a nice bright camp light, so that's really nice. So this is really cool. It's got a lot of little LEDs in there you can see. You guys can probably even see the light on it when it's up to me, even though I have ridiculously bright studio lights on. Actually, let me see if I can turn these off. Off. There. Now I just have the light from my kitchen on here, but this is pretty cool. So this would be great to stick like in a tent or something like that, and then during the day you stick it out so it'll charge itself. So this would be a perfect little light, and then when you want to pack it, you put it down there and it's not going to break anything and it'll stay nice and protected. So really cool. I like this one. This is going to go in my camping stuff, and I'll be ready for a light next time I go camping. So very cool. Let's see, does it say who it's by? It just says electric LED, but really cool. Multifunction camping light. Awesome. Thumbs up.